Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my very first Flosstube for cross stitch. I have actually been cross stitching the longest out of any craft that I've been doing. I started when I was around 8 years old and I still do it here and there, but not as much as my quilting or sewing things. But I thought it'd be fun to do like a monthly Flosstube check-in for the cross stitch projects that I am currently working on. I have a lot of cross stitch whips. Honestly, far too many. They're currently all packed in a suitcase from our move a couple months ago. And yeah, there's a lot of them. So today I'm just going to share my two most recent whips. The first project I am working on is the Prim and Proper stitch along with Fat Quarter Shop. So this is the pattern. It is very cute. I'm probably gonna gift it to my mom. That's the plan right now. And here is my progress. As you can see, not a lot done. I do have most of the border, which feels good to have the border done. But I need to have more done, obviously. And I am stitching it using Orifloss from Aurifil. So this is the kit that goes with the pattern. And there's 20 different spools of floss that I'm using for that one. And then the next project is an upcoming stitch along that Fat Quarter Shop is doing. And it's the Home Sweet Home pattern. Super cute. And I decided, I got this really cool Ada from Flair. It's kind of hard to see. It's like blue and green and kind of like clouds. And so I need to decide if I'm going to use the recommended threads for this or if I'm going to pull something from my floss stash. I think I might do the recommended. I kind of like the blues and it should look okay even though this is lighter than the recommended. Those are my two current cross stitch works in progress on top of the like 20 other cross stitch works in progress I have, on top of the probably about 20 quilting works in progress I have. I have a problem finishing projects. Next time I'm going to go over my suitcase of whips. That'll be fun. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all guys next time. Thanks, bye. How it works.